the
So, okay.
So in this lab, basically in this lab in page validation, basically we are going to understand how to write simple if conditions and how to
Hmm.
handle exception handling. That part we are going to learn.
Okay. Okay.
So now let's see. So far we are seeing so far we are writing all the lines of code without exception handling. Okay. But in real term, people will write all the code inside the try block only. Okay. How to write try block? Suppose if you're writing try block, all the lines of code in should uh, between the try block only. So you need to give one tab space and you need to write all the set of driver instructions in try block only. That is the recommended. Okay. And if something is went wrong in the try block, okay, suppose
Hmm.
you have given button login 1 2 3 anything, okay, the control will, instead of failing the test case terminating suddenly, okay, the control will jump to the corresponding catch exception blocks. So I have written so many exception blocks here. Okay,
Hmm.
corresponding catch exception block will be invoked and that message will be printed. Suppose let's see, I have written txt username, but I have written txt password web element name as 1 2 3. But this web element
Hmm.
driver cannot able to find. But
Hmm.
previously, if this is case, if you are not writing try exception block, your program will be terminated and it will raise an exception. Okay, and
Hmm.
there is no guarantee that further lines of code will be executed at all. Okay, so but if you are using try catch exception block, in case even if it is failed or passed, you want to close the driver, then such things you can write here in the driver dot close here. The the try catch, the finally block is always compulsory, it will be executed.
Okay.
So now let's see, first of all, so the corresponding exception block will be invoked and this block will be executed. No element found and exception message will be printed because no
So
such
these
element
these exceptions are inbuilt. Right? No
yes,
such
yeah, those
element.
are inbuilt standard classes developed by Selenium, and I will show you this one as
Okay.
well. Okay,
Okay.
so actually there are almost 100 exceptions are there, but I cannot
Hmm.
cover all those things. But
Ah.
most of the times,
Uh-huh.
these are the standard exception only. It will come, and in the interview point of view, also people will ask only two things. One is no such element exception, and another one
Hmm.
people will ask stale element reference exception. So these two
Ah.
anyway we will discuss during the interview point of time. So at this time I'm telling this exception block.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now let's see, if I am giving some name as incorrect, txt password 1 2 3, and the driver is unable to find that web element, and the control will jump onto the corresponding exception block, and no element found, and exception message will be printed, and that error message will be printed on console, but it won't be terminated. The control again it will go to the finally block, and these lines of code will be executed. Now let's run this program, and we will see. See, one second, all the browsers are closed browser is already closed automatically, so it is throwing an
Hmm. Hmm.
error, no element found, and txt1 password 1 2 3 it's unable to found, and the program executed, and finally block of code also executed 100%, and your driver also closed automatically.
Okay.
So it
So
is
so basically the structure is this is I remember this is typically called as try catch block.
hmm. If just we will write
But then after
previously
uh,
we are writing this one only. Whatever lines of code
right.
you have written, just you need to
Hmm.
copy this structure. That's it for all
Yes.
the
Yes.
programs. Okay, in Rails.
Hmm.
And I will show you how to do this part in our project part also. I will go back to that RNG 34 project and I will show you how
Okay.
I have done. So like
Okay.
this, we need
But
to
then
write.
if we were to continue some other lines of codes,
Hmm,
so that we should write after this finally part, right?
correct, exactly. So
So
finally
under
block
finally, something will, some step will
mandatory.
be, yeah,
Yeah,
concluding part will be here, and then the
correct.
next line of code will continue.
Right. After finally, if you write
Hmm.
anything, after
Ah,
executing
yes.
finally block, the rest
Hmm.
of the code will be continued as usual.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Fine.
Now
Yes.
we understood how to do exception handling part. Now let's see the same part. On that day we discussed about, you asked about page object model, how we implemented exception handling. I will show you that part.
Hmm. Ah, okay.